2MBI100N-060-10 by uscomponent.com. The 2MBI100N-060-10 is a high-performance IGBT module from Fuji Electric, designed for efficient power switching in various industrial applications. With a voltage rating of 600 V and a current rating of 100 A, it is ideal for inverters, motor drives, and power supply systems. This module offers low power loss and high-speed switching, enhancing overall system efficiency. Its robust construction ensures reliability and long-term durability, even in demanding environments. The 2MBI100N-060-10 is engineered for optimal thermal management, providing consistent performance and stability. Choose this IGBT module for superior efficiency and dependable operation in your power electronics projects. Ready to buy 2MBI100N-060-10? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.